right, we are working on number 21 from this worksheet. We're using this diagram, so we've used it multiple times. So if you've marked it up, go ahead and erase it. We're going to use it again. We're given some information about this problem before we even read the problem. So let's look at this information. Angle APC is a right angle. So I'm going to go over there and put a box here representing a 90-degree angle. And we know that if that angle is a 90-degree angle, then also that angle right there is a 90-degree angle because 90 plus 90 is 180. And then the measure of angle BPD equals the measure of angle DPE. That's telling me that those angles are congruent. So I'm going to put arcs on those angles. BPD gets an arc and DPE gets an arc. Those are the same exact measure. So I know all of that information before I've even began my problem. So we look at our problem and it says the measure of angle 2 equals the measure of angle 3. Find the measure of angle 2. And you're like, wait a minute, they didn't give me any numbers. What do? I don't have any numbers. So first we're going to mark it up. We're not going to freak out. Angle 2 equals angle 3. It's congruent to angle 3. So I'm going to put a double arc and a double arc. So now we've got lots of information. It's very abstract because we don't have any numbers yet. So since we don't have numbers, our favorite thing to do when we don't have numbers is to use letters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this angle X. And that happens to be angle 2 that I called X, and that's what I'm looking for. So once I find X, I've found my answer. All right, well, if I've called that X, then what is angle 3 called? Well, it's called X because they're congruent. They both have a double arc. Now, what is this whole angle called? Let me get my highlighter out. This angle would then be called 2x, right? X plus x is 2x. Oh, it auto-corrected me, sorry. 2x. And so therefore, that angle has one arc. Angle 4 has one arc. That angle is 2x. Now notice, I also have those boxes, and those boxes represent 90-degree angles. So I know that right here, I've got a 90-degree angle. Let's use angle addition. X plus 2x, x plus 2x equals 90. I grabbed that angle and that angle, and I know they add up to 90 degrees. What's 1 plus 2? 3. 3x equals 90. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X equals 30. What did I say? When we found x, we would know our angle because I named angle 2 x. So we are done. The measure of angle 2 is 30.